Yes, please.
Nico, I found a cassette. Can you help me out?
I'm not sure, but I can try.
Here.
Okay. Okay.
Preparing for digitization, low-cost approaches and technologies, preparing the material, need of cleaning or restoration. 8 and 16 mm film tape. To prepare the film reels for reproduction, digitization, we need rewinder, plastic reel for 8 or 16 mm tape, magnifying glass, splicer, pieces of cotton, 75% alcohol, anti-static gloves, film cement, adhesive tape for film picture. The film is placed on a film rewinder and it is inspected for any damages, which can be hardened roll, petrification, dry and brittle tape, torn perforation, torn tape, detached patch, splice, disheveled patch, warped film, shrunken film. Types of damages on a magnetic tape: tearing or chewing on the tape, tape breaking, dust on the tape, mold on the tape, tape demagnetization. For the inspection and repair of the tape, the necessary equipment is clean work table without dust and electricity, a regular screwdriver, crosshead, adhesive tape, scissors, cotton and alcohol. If there are any problems and damages, the tape is opened. To open the tape, it is necessary to place it on a clean surface and unscrew the screws. Then the button to open the tape is pressed on the side and the tape is turned over, with a transparent glass on the upper side. The cover is then gently pulled back and the protective plastic is removed.
I fixed this.
Oh, nice. Let's see.
This. Also, I fix all the materials.
Oh, great. Let's see them.
Please sit down. This one.